Okay, we're still on Sunday, January 20th, 2013, and today we're going to have a couple of opening videos. Well, actually, just one opening. And you guys have already seen this. This is the 92 BMW M3. I got one in the case, and then I found Walmart out of town. Actually, I've got one in the house in a Protecto pack. And there's 3 more here, which I'm going to be painting, probably red, white, and black. So there's 4, one in the house, and I think I've got another one lingering around. And then I've got one that I did a little custom with, which, doesn't look too bad. We'll see. So we'll open up this one first. Again, this is one of my favorite cars. If you look at my other channel, I've got an E36 M3, which is the series right after this. I would much rather have an E30 M3, but it's not practical to have with the the price you pay for them. They're pretty high price for a decent one. So actually, obviously, this is a mainline car, basic, so there's no painted headlights or anything like that. But again, usually with the German cars, they do that. It does have some nice BMW M3 tampos on it. The wheels, they try to make it look like BBS, that kind of thing. Obviously the plastic wheel, plastic tire. Again, nothing in the back. Paint's a little thick on this car, you can see. It is a nice paint job, it's smooth, it's just thick. It's like a metallic silver, so. Pretty nice. It could be touched up. Again, I'm gonna take those other ones, they're not for sale or trade or anything like that, and do a little customizing with them. So you've got this one here. This is just the stock one. They really did a nice job with the actual shape though. I'm a huge BMW fan. Again, if you look at my other channel, I'll put a link in the description. You can see mine autocross, and I've done some suspension work on that too as well. So there's that one. And then, remember these Garage Series Cobras? I had 3 of them all together. One with the Garage Series set that I bought, or Garage Series set that I purchased, and then 2 of them I had purchased at that Hot Wheels convention or whatever it was back in October. So one was a color variation, so I carded that one. And then obviously the one with the set I kept. You see, the other one, well, it's been cannibalized. It's missing the wheels. So this evening I didn't get really bored, but I just wanted to do a little customizing. Didn't do any paint or anything on the headlights or anything yet. And it's really hard to see. The camera doesn't do it justice. It looks a lot better in person. Let's see here. We can get a little bit more light on it. Yeah, the camera really does not do it justice, which normally this camera shows a little bit too much. Just doesn't do it justice. And for the body, to do this, I mean, these tires, whoa, making a mess here. These tires are clearly a lot bigger, wider. You can see I've done a little bit of modifying to see how much narrower the openings are. Those lips are totally cut off on the modified car. There's the screws, obviously, for when we split it open. But in person, it actually looks pretty darn good. Camera looks like they're really, really huge. Anyway. I don't know. It looks good in person. So that's that. I'd like to have a wheel a little bit smaller, but I want that style of wheel and a rubber tire on it. And through the camera, hopefully it's not shown this way. It looks almost like a 4-wheel drive. It looks kind of funky through the camera. I'll put them side by side on here too. Definitely a little taller. I suppose it's a little big, the wheel, but I want that kind of wheel. Yeah, it's definitely taller. But, you know, whatever, it is what it is. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that. And I think that'll do it for this evening. So if you have any questions or comments, post those below. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching.